Going to Vanishing Island, guys. Five packs capacity. Going na kami, guys, to Vanishing Island. Buntag. Mapil mo sa video. Exclusive. Padulong niya siya.
Now, ilamig akong picture. Di mo ako balo? Pero matagal na kayo dito. Hapon lang.
Ay, di, wala, hindi ko kayo sinali. No worries. Wow, baboy naman ang vanish. It's not no longer. Ayan, meron pang Vanishing Island, sayang. Ayan, we're here at Vanishing Island. Nakikita pa ang sun, pero di na masyado.
So naanami diri sa Vanishing Island, guys.
Sana all naligo, may mga swimsuit. Ako, I didn't bring my swimsuit. Kaya, ayan guys, this is my outfit, that's why I can't go swimming na lang. Kawawa naman si, ayan, vanishing. Di ba tunok man to? Parang,